we are going to do a problem that is the example 3.5 of the chapter number 3 motion. Now in this what they're saying that a car of a mass 100 kg means there is a car that is having a mass of 1000 kg is traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour, means its initial velocity, because the car has not stopped yet, they are saying that it is traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour. So that is its initial velocity, and it has not stopped yet, so the final velocity would be 0. Then they are saying it is brought to a rest over a distance of 20 meter, means the distance it covers at 20 meters. We have to find what we have to find. We have to find the acceleration as well as the force. Now here initial velocity is in kilometer per hour, but we want in meter per second. So how can we convert it? The 36 will multiply with 1000 and will divide it. We are having 3600 seconds in 1 hour, so when we'll divide it, the answer will be 10 meter per second. So here the initial velocity will be 10 meter per second. Now we'll be solving it. How can we solve? We have to find acceleration, and to find the acceleration we'll be using the third equation of motion, that is 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. 2a we have to find. Here a is, we have to find acceleration, so 2s is multiplying here, there it will be dividing, so it will become 2s here. Now we'll be finding acceleration. Vf square we are having 0 minus vi we are having 10, that will be square, 2 distance that it covers is 20. Now 0 square would be 0 minus 10 square will be 100. 2 into 20 will be 40. 0 doesn't matters here, because when we minus 0 minus 100 it will be minus 100. So the acceleration will be minus 2.5 meter per second square. Now we have to find the force as well. Now to find the force formula is F is equal to ma. Force is equal to mass. Mass of the car was 1000 kg, and the acceleration as we have find here minus 2.5. So the force is applied is 2500 Newton. That is the force and that is the acceleration. So what we have to find? We have to find the acceleration and force, and we have find here the acceleration and the force. Now similar of that we are having another problem, that if a car is moving having a mass 7.5 kg, it is moving at a speed of 72 kilometer per hour. That's because it has not stopped, so it is initial velocity and final velocity will be 0. It is given in kilometer per hour, so how can we change here? 72 into 1000 divided by 3600, so it will be 20 meter per second. So here it is like it is brought to a rest over a distance of 100 meter. Now we have to find the acceleration and force. To find the acceleration we'll be using the third equation of motion, that is 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. Acceleration we have to find, so it will be minus vi square upon 2s. Vf we are having 0, vi we are having 20, divided to s distance we are having 100. Now acceleration 0 square will be 0, doesn't matter. 20 square will be 400 divided 100. Now when minus 400 will divide by it, so it will be minus 4. Then we have to find a force. The force is equal to ma. Mass we are having 7.5 into acceleration we are having minus 4. When we multiply it, the answer will be minus 30 Newton. So the force is applied minus 30 Newton and the acceleration is minus 4 meter per second square.